So right now po, nandun siya sa taas. Last week, if you'll notice, no, nung nag-dump tayo, sinalo tayo nitong lower portion ng parallel channel. This was nung Thursday, nung kainitan nung LQ ni Donald Trump. And Friday, Saturday, and over the weekend, okay, umakyat na tayo nasa upper portion ng parallel channel. Yung parallel channel natin serves as a resistance and also ito it coincides on Tipay. It coincides dun sa blue line ni Tipay. So nauuntog din tayo dun sa blue line ni Tipay. So meron tayong dalawang resistance touch point kay Bitcoin. So for bulls to take control, we need to see Bitcoin break channel and trade above the blue line ni Tipay. Trade above continuously. Pag yan po, nabasag natin at nag-trade tayo above that, expect mo, expect ko na we'll see a new high kay Bitcoin. But if, dun tayo sa second scenario, kung hindi naman niya yan basagin, we can see Bitcoin continuously follow this parallel channel and probably touching this yellow line ni Tipay. So wag ka na kayong magulat kung ma-reject yan dyan at bumalik tayo even lower, we go lower than 100K. 98 probably to 96,000. Will that happen very soon? Will that happen this week? I don't know.